Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Fish Guy Josh. He's my son Ryder, and this is Father-Son Fishing. Today on the channel, first and foremost, Ryder and I would like to give you a huge thank you for sticking with us this first year of filming. We've had a great time. We really enjoyed our adventures, and we're really looking forward to next year's fun. But before we get into next year's shooting and start posting videos, we're going to end year one with a bang with our countdown to the catch of the year. Today we're going to give you numbers 10 through 6 of our top 10 catches of the year. Should be fun, should be cool to look back on, and we're going to do it all
with a kid.
All right, Ryder, you ready to go fishing?
Number 10, double rainbow.
Whoa, right.
What?
We had a bite. Oh, come on. Here you go, come on. Grab it. Stand up. Come on, hold it.
There's something on there.
Yeah, roll. Reel. There you go, reel. Reel.
We have a bite.
Reel. Don't talk, reel. There you go. Uh-oh, he's in the edge. Come out this way. There you go. Reel. Nice.
We got a bite.
All right. Come on. He's on the edge. Here, you stay right there. Hold it up.
Get it.
Get it. Okay.
He's stuck.
Nice.
We got a trout.
Yeah, pretty good. Ryder.
That's our first trout we got.
He's on there. You reel it and I'll net it.
Okay.
Good job. He's on there. Yeah. All right.
In the water.
Okay, hold that rod tip up. How you doing, buddy? Good. Keep reeling. Do you feel him? Yes?
He's moving the other way.
Okay. Keep going. Keep reeling. Yes. Oh, he's running. That's good. There you go. You just keep reeling. You hold that rod up. There you go, buddy. Get him. He's not there yet. Keep getting him for me. Oh, I see him. Oh, he's running some more. Hold that rod tip upright. Up. There you go. Yeah, he's zooming. Good fight, buddy. Yeah. There you go. Oh, no, the handle broke. That's okay. Here, Dad. Our handle repair didn't work. That's okay.
Caught a thing.
Wow. Well, our handle didn't work, but that's okay. Wow. Well, we tried to fix the handle. It was an old reel. That's okay, buddy.
I guess I broke my grandpa's reel.
No, it was already broken. We tried to fix it. Good job. Good job, buddy.
But I was fine with him, but I guess we win.
What you got, buddy?
A rainbow trout.
A rainbow trout.
And these are his stingers.
No, he doesn't have stingers. It's just fins.
Who fins?
Yeah? Who caught that trout?
And I even broke the handle.
You broke the handle? Can you show me some strong muscles? Here, come over here. Show me them strong muscles for that trout. Yeah, buddy.
Number 9, Eel Parking Only.
Did we get it? Oh, we did get it, Ryder. He's on. He was on at least. Yeah, we got one. Whoa, buddy. It's an eel.
An eel.
Whoa.
That's a nice eel.
Whoa. Cool.
That's a nice eel.
We caught an eel. That's awesome. Whoa.
He's wiggly.
He is wiggly.
And he has fins.
He does. That's so cool.
I can't.
They're hard to grab. He's so slimy. Oh, you know what we'll need? Our towel. Here's our towel. Cool. This is cool.
I can't believe we caught a fish.
I know. Well, an eel is a fish. Whoa. No, eel. Don't tangle up. Don't tangle up, eel. No. Holy cow.
Now what happened to our line?
Well, the eel happened to our line. That's what.
Number 8, Banjo Bass.
Man, Ryder, I can't believe we missed that one. Oh, another one, another one. Oh, we got him, Ryder. Whoa, yeah, Ryder. Whoa, dude. Whoa. Another good one, dude. Nice.
Whack me in the face.
He did thwack you in the face. Cool, dude. Oh, man. Cool. Dude, this is awesome. Check it out. Look, let's see how tall it is next to you. All right, look up at me. Thumbs up.
Number 7, third time's the charm.
Ooh, Ryder. Another catfish. You want this? It's a bigger one. Come here. Here you go. Here, you reel it in. You want a net or reel? Huh? Net or reel? Net? How about right here? Right here in this opening. Okay, right here. Oh no, he's dangling up in the weeds. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's a good one. Whoa, dude. Whoa. Whoa. Huh? Oh, you see him? Whoa. He's fighting, Ryder. There you go. Get that net inside out and ready. There you go. Ooh, Ryder. That's a nice one. Whew. Get your net a little further out if you can. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
A water spider right there.
A water spider right there, yeah. That's great. Let's focus on the fish. Woo. Got him in there? No. Get him in there. Scoop it up, scoop it up. Don't let him swim around. I need you to get him in the net. Oh, hang on, hang on. Hang on. All right, net down. Net down. Okay, net in the water, net in the water. Down, down, lower, down, lower. Down in the water, buddy, down in the water. All right, now scoop up. Oh, we missed him. Whew. He is tricky. All right, net in the water. Okay, now scoop up, scoop up. Oh, he jumped. Whew. All right, ready? Net up, net up. Almost. Almost. Oh, no. Now he's caught on the net. Oh, no. Oh, he's off. He's off. Whew. All right, buddy. Scoop up. Scoop up. Scoop up. Big scoop. Big scoop. There you go. There you go. Whoa. Ryder, I think he's one of our biggest ones. Dude. Look, he's got another hook in his mouth. This is somebody else's hook. And another hook. Whoa. Dude, look at this. 1, 2, 3. We're number 3. He broke 2 other people off. Is that crazy? Look at that. Whoa. That's crazy.
And which one's ours?
Ours is the white one. That one broke off, and that one broke off. We caught the beast. Ryder, we caught the beast. Good netting, buddy. That was a tough one, huh?
Number 6, Mom's Toothy trophy. What's that got? What's that got?
Does Mom want it? Get a fish before you go.
I don't want to lose it.
It's okay. All right, Ryder. Let's see what Mom's got. Pump that rod tip up every now and then. There you go. Pump it up. Pump it up. Don't be a turtle.
It's not fighting like a turtle.
Oh, it's another gar. Whoa! That's a big one. And it's not on a metal leader. Ah, okay.
Here,
All right, you cross. Oh, just walk under it. Walk under it. Okay, hold, hold. Hold. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh, and he splashed me. You was thinking long nose. That was the biggest one of the 3.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Ah,
On shrimp, too, man.
ah.
Right.
Whew.
You guys will catch one with.
All right, I guess let's try it.
Baby.
It's real hard. Nada?
What?
Nada?
No, there's something on there.
Oh, nice. Okay. I'm gonna go back down again. Hey, you stay up top, Ryder. Stay up top. What does Mom have? Another one. Oh, oh, oh. There he goes. There it goes.
Okay.
Another long nose. All right. 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 We got it. We got it, Ryder. Whoa. What an awesome long nose. Huh?
Want your top?
Whoa.
Be the picture, Ryder? Here, just stand right here. This is good right here. Turn it.
Whoa, Ryder.
Big smile.
Oh, man. Nice.
All right, save.
Boom.
Save that nonsense.
Good job, Mom.
Sound of fun fishing. Subscribe, please.